Bitcoin, the biggest crypto in the market, is skyrocketing. If it is true, then why is it so? In this video, we will take a deep look at Bitcoin's price fluctuations. As you know, Bitcoin, being the biggest coin in the market, fluctuates with the changes in the market. Bitcoin itself influences many coins. In this video, I will tell you how Bitcoin is being influenced by market trends. Either it is bearish or bullish. First, a little introduction, and then we will dive right into it. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Stay in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comments section. Be sure to watch the full video and show your support by liking if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us continue. On the internet, there is a daring wager that Bitcoin will surge to $1 million within a mere 90-day period. What sets this bet apart is that it originates not from an ordinary citizen, but from a brilliant entrepreneur named Balaji, who formerly served as the CTO of Coinbase. Balaji is staking $1 million of his personal funds on the belief that Bitcoin will attain a value of $1 million by the 90-day deadline he has set. Let's examine Balaji's arguments to determine whether he has a valid case and stands a chance of winning this bet. The current price of Bitcoin is over $28,000 and has experienced a remarkable 35% increase in the past week. Experts suggested that this surge may be the beginning of a significant bull run. If one had purchased Bitcoin a week ago, they would have already gained a 12% profit. Lies, the bank told us. Balaji's argument is based on the premise that central bankers, regulators, and other financial authorities are deceiving holders of US dollars by hiding the massive risk facing the currency. Balaji points to a report from November of the previous year, which raised concerns about unrealized losses in the bond portfolios of US banks. The report indicates that while the banks have strong liquidity presently, as the market changes, they may be forced to dispose of those assets, resulting in substantial unrealized losses that could adversely affect financial institutions. The Federal Reserve has raised interest rates quickly over the past year, which has resulted in significant unrealized losses in banks. Last year, many banks purchased long-term treasuries at approximately 1% yield. However, with interest rates now reaching 4 to 5%, the banks may need to realize these losses to obtain liquidity. If this occurs, they could face bankruptcy. The banks could be forced to realize these losses if customers withdraw their funds, which could cause a significant short-term liquidity crisis in the next 3 months. Therefore, Balaji's argument does have merit, and he could potentially win this bet. If this happens, Bitcoin will surely reach $1 million, and the price chart will be something like this. What is Hyperbitcoinization? The concept of Hyperbitcoinization is the point at which Bitcoin transitions to the world's default value system. In this state, the Bitcoin economy becomes the sole economy, where Bitcoin is the world's preferred currency. BTC will not be converted to any fiat equivalent, as 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin, and no other currency will exchange it. Additionally, all goods and services will be available for Bitcoin. At this critical point, the economy will become deflationary rather than inflationary, as Bitcoins cannot be created out of thin air. This could happen shortly. Bitcoin a thriver. Governments and financial institutions have criticized cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve has been vocal about its concerns regarding the lack of regulations surrounding Bitcoin and its potential use in illegal activities like money laundering and terrorism financing. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin advocates argue that cryptocurrency still holds value and can provide significant benefits to investors. Bitcoin's decentralized nature allows for more transparency and security in transactions, and its limited supply and increasing demand have led to substantial price appreciation. Some analysts predict that Bitcoin's value could continue to rise in the coming years, exceeding even its current all-time high. Despite criticism and opposition, Bitcoin remains a viable asset for investors seeking alternative investment opportunities. Frank Holmes, CEO of U.S. Global Investors and chairman of Hive Blockchain Technologies, believe that crypto will continue to thrive regardless of attempts to suppress it. Tokenomics. The largest Bitcoin in the market keeps on changing, and so does its tokenomics. As of the first week of April, Bitcoin is trading at a value of $28,500, while the market cap is $551.6 billion, and circulating supply includes 19,337,831 tokens. The maximum supply of Bitcoin is only 21 million tokens. Price prediction 2023. After all these indications, we can conclude that Bitcoin is most likely to go up. How much we will dive right into it. Although there is no obvious way of predicting the price, according to experts' views in the year 2023, Bitcoin is most likely to skyrocket. Since the beginning of the year 2023, Bitcoin has been bullish and regained its value. As the first quarter is about to close, Bitcoin has reached $28,000 and is expected to rise to $50,000 by the end of second quarter. If we say Bitcoin could go up to $1 million, then it might be an overstatement, but reaching its all-time high value of $69,000 by the end of the year 2023 is expected. Marshall Beard, Chief Strategy Officer at US-based cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, believes Bitcoin to break all-time highs this year. He said, "The $100,000 price figure is an interesting number if Bitcoin gets to its previous record high of near $69,000. Remember, this is not a piece of financial advice. Do your own research before investing in it." So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.